Chapter 40. The Master at the houses of Balaram and Girish. Friday, April 24, 1885. About 1 o'clock in the afternoon, M arrived at Balaram's house in Calcutta and found the Master asleep in the drawing room. One or two devotees resting near him. M began to fan the Master gently. A few minutes later, Sri Ramakrishna woke up and sat on the bed with his clothes in a rather untidy condition. M saluted him and took the dust off his feet. Master, tenderly to M. Are you well? I am feeling rather uneasy. I have a sore in my throat. I suffer very much during the early hours of the morning. Footnote. The beginning of his cancer of the throat. Footnote ends. Can you tell me how I may be cured? In a worried tone. They served pickled mango with the meal. I ate a little of it. How is your wife? I noticed the other day that she was looking rather sickly. Give her soothing drinks to keep her nerves cool. M. Green coconut milk, sir. Master. Yes. A drink made of sugar candy is also good. M. Since last Sunday, I have been living at the house with my parents. Master. You have done well. It will be convenient for you to live at home. Since your parents live there, you won't have to worry so much about the family. While Sri Ramakrishna was talking, his mouth became dry. He said to M, like a child, I feel a dryness in my mouth. Do you all feel that way? M. To Jogin. Is your mouth also drying up? Jogin. No. Perhaps it is due to the heat. Jogendro of Aryadaha was an intimate disciple of Sri Ramakrishna, and later, after the passing away of the Master, renounced the world. Sri Ramakrishna's clothes were still untidy. Some of the devotees smiled. Master. I look like a mother nursing her babies. All laugh. Well, my tongue is drying up. Shall I eat a pear or a jamrul? Footnote. Jamrul, a kind of juicy fruit. Footnote ends. Baburam, let me get a jamrul for you. Master, you don't have to go out in this sun. M was still fanning the master. Master, you may stop now. You have been fanning a long time. M, I am not tired, sir. Master, tenderly, no. M taught in a school in the neighborhood. He had a little recess at 1 o'clock, during which he visited Sri Ramakrishna. It was time for him to go back to the school. He saluted the master. Master to M, must you go now? A devotee, school is not yet over. He came here during recess. Master, smiling, he is like a mother with 7 or 8 children. Day and night she is busy with her worldly duties. But now and then she makes time to serve her husband.